free to talk.
I've noticed you around. I find you very attractive.
This is gold, Mr. Bond.
Would you go to bed with me?
There is nothing you can talk to me about that I don't already know. No, Mr. Bond, I expect you to die. Its brilliance. Its divine heaviness. All my life I've been in love with its color.
I've noticed you around.
Good night, Mr. Bond. This is gold, Mr. Bond. All my life, brilliance. Gold. All my life I've been in love with gold. Color. Gold. Been in love with its divine heaviness. Brilliance. This is gold, Mr. Bond. Gold.